One dog me have a me yard brother called thief and go sell Chinese man. You all nasty Chinese man.
That's to get there. You son of a bitch!
Brother, I want about my money then. What's up guys? It's a boy Odaine here and I'm back with another video. Yeah, and more thank you for 100 subscribers because if I never found the support, more to reach there. So thank you, me very appreciate it. I appreciate it, you know. Appreciate it. Yeah. So I'm gonna do a call prank today, you see me? I go to prank. I'm gonna rate it from 1 to 10, you know. Make sure you rate the thing, you know. And drop a like, you know. And done for the to tub time. Tub time, you know. Tub time. Tub time. Me I look for you, you know. Me I look at your tub time. So tub time. You can't go sleep over tonight.
Who is this?
Andrew, I know if your mother I go out late. Come over.
Who is this?
It's Andrew.
Who the fuck is Andrew?
We did meet last week.
Off.
Andrew, we meet last week.
Fuck off, man.
Do what?
Who this is?
It's Andrew. I want to know if I can come over tonight.
Go suck a dick, man. Fuck out of here.
What the fuck, bro? Yeah, me I try to borrow credit and it now record, so I don't know.
Hold it.
And the flow this?
No, man, wrong number, man.
A flow me I try to get to come out borrow credit and it now go through.
Okay, wrong number, sir.
So you know how to borrow credit?
No, sir.
Alright.
Okay.
Yes, can I get one fry dog, please?
On what?
One fry dog and a large fries.
What?
What?
What part of the chicken would you want?
Give me the foot and the toes with it.
What?
The foot?
What?
Yes, sir.
You want the chicken meal with it, sir?
The what?
Chicken meal.
Chicken what?
Chicken meal.
Okay, yes, sir.
You want a chicken meal, sir?
Yes, and a large fries. And a Coke soda.
You want the chicken that's not clean?
That do what?
The chicken that's not clean.
No, I want it cooked.
You want the cook? We only have raw chicken.
I don't eat that, I only eat fried dog.
I would have wrong number I call myself.
And a Chinese restaurant this.
What?
And a Chinese restaurant this.
Record ya?
Do what?
Yes, sir.
A Chinese restaurant.
No, Chinese restaurant this time. Somebody on my phone this. Now I wonder who this. I'm not going to call it around.
Oh, I swear I think I did the Chinese restaurant.
I'm going to Chinese restaurant. This man around that one.
Alright.
That's all.
Yo, man, when me I get the money, you know, brother, where you owe me?
Wow.
Where money they you owe me from last week, brother? Yo, me broke and hungry and I want to youth and want the money.
Who is it?
Andrew, brother.
Andrew.
Yes. Me nearly no 2 grand last week, brother. I want you now.
Look, we don't let you know who you talk to, buddy. You know who you talk to?
Are you kids this, brother? Me and no idiot. No, you kids this. Yes, so when me I get my money, youth. And nobody can take me for no idiot. Who? Me not really know no that good, but I want to know million money, brother. When me I get it back?
Look, if I try, I don't know about that, them man. If I him borrow money.
Yo, when the man come, tell him say more me money, brother.
Hello, who is this?
Anjo,
From where?
me pen town.
You have the wrong number, baby.
No, ma'am.
So who is Troy? When sending? When sending? When you send Troy?
Do what?
Yeah. Me a send Troy. But the person knows so. Hello.
When me I get the money, ma'am?
But me don't know who you're talking.
The rich kids. Me dealing him 2,000 and want it right now. Come they are hungry.
What do that?
Do what?
What the person? What rickets? Because me know a lot of rickets. What rickets?
A rich kids me know him by.
So where you still lending me your money, baby?
And the man a virgin for high school and with the link up. And dog borrow 2 grand for me.
That's a which school?
Do what?
Which school? Which school?
Mama, that doesn't really matter more know when me I get the money.
But they said the wrong number, darling. It's the wrong number.
You sure I right number this?
I mean, no, me don't know. There's nobody in this house spending you money. So me don't know about that, baby love.
When he come, just tell him some want me money, you know. Oh, I just me I go find him yard.
From where?
If he no did it when he come, tell him.
No, Ricketts not coming here, so I don't know who you're talking about. Don't know who you're talking about. Anybody give you this number, wrong number, baby.
Alright, mama.
Yeah, sorry about that.
I hear that I'm get her pregnant.
You have the wrong number, please. My daughter's name is Marsha.
Well, Marsha, she tell me say she name.
What color she have? What color she has?
That no really matter. Want know what you gonna do about
How
it.
does she say? How does she say?
Do what?
She dark skin or she brown skin?
That no really matter, ma'am.
How would it say?
It's Sanjo.
I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. Whosoever you are, I rebuke you in the name of Jesus and touch not the Lord anointed.
Mama, I'm sorry for getting your daughter pregnant.
Touch not the Lord anointed. The fire of Almighty God is against.
Shit, your blood clot, boy.
Hello?
Marsha,
Yes.
yeah, me I say if you not care about my fridge.
What are you talking about?
No, my fridge will come on my yard. The one little time I come on my yard, you have to take up my fridge gone with you when I sleep. What?
The wrong Marsha this because I don't come here. I don't know who you are.
Anjo this.
I don't know you. That's the point.
So me know you. Oh, yo, nobody can go like you can use it for me, no, Marsha.
Listen to me. You know, it's tough. Which Marsha you are talking about? Marsha Lee, my name,
What you say?
Marsha Lee is my name.
Yes, so now you come on me yard and see if you want fridge me have.
Excuse yourself from my say. You come, I don't even know you. I'm not coming about you. So get the story straight and excuse and stop calling my phone.
So I wouldn't.
But I'm not even know you. Who is you?
Good girl, just let me get back my fridge, yeah?
Wait there. Let me tell you the wrong number you call, yeah?
Do?
First of all, yeah,
Me no want to know you how much. It was just a little one night stand I have to move with my fridge.
First of all, I'm not going to buy you. You must know who you are talking about.
One little night you come on me yard, I have to move away with my fridge.
You know me, I try to. Try to get the right number. And don't call back the number here because of the wrong person you call, yeah? That's all I can tell you.
Marsha,
So wait, which day you come here, yeah? I don't even know who is Andrew.
it's a prank.
What?
I say, it's a prank.
But most...
You big up yourself.
But most... Come here and idiot, you can't prank me. Come here and idiot.
Then no prank me, just prank you. Yo. Yo, brother. Anjo. Yo.
Hello.
Yo, man, when me I get back my dog with a thief, brother. With a thief and car go sell Chinese man.
Somebody say, I know when I get my guitar and keep off of the Chinese man.
Yo! Yo!
Yo,
When me I get back my dog.
which dog?
No one dog me have a me yard, brother, go thief and go sell Chinese man. Yo, nasty Chinese man.
That's to get there.
Brother, I want back my money then.
Which money?
No money where go sell and get. My dog where go sell and get the money, want it then. Or want the meat. Want the dog meat then.
Talk your mother later.
Yo!